Here mga kaibigan, tignan po natin ang statistics. Very anemic stats. Galing dito. Look at the 8 errors.
That is so true, partner.
One
Ito
attack.
nga.
Tama tayo.
Yan nga. One attack point coming from FEU as against Smart's 11. Yung block points, Smart lang ang meron din. 2 block points, wala rin dito sa FEU. Ang service points, 4 dito sa Smart, 1 galing sa FEU. At ang errors, napakarami. 8 errors from FEU and 3 lamang coming from Smart.
Makita mo naman dito, FEU trying to start this third set with a lot of energy, but Charo Soriano is called for overreaching.
Yan naman ang dala ni Giselle C. Again, dahil matagal-tagal na rin itong naglalaro, alam niya na makukuha niya yung call na yan.
And FEU scoring the first point here. Minsan sabi dito ni Sander Coloso sa ating Twitter, yung lowest point scored by a team in the UAAP. Correct siya dun. 6 points din para sa UP. I believe Ateneo scored 8 points last season. Yun yata yung lowest ng Ateneo. I don't know if they ever scored 6 points. Pero in the Shakey's V-League, for sure, record na yung ginawa ng FEU kanina na 25-5 ang kanilang
Yun naman ang record na feeling ko sana naman hindi na ma-break.
Tignan natin. Akala ko yung 6 na UP.
Ayoko na ma-break.
Akala ko yung 6 na UP. Wala na mga katalo nito. But again, this is a very young team. Ito ko po na, look at the energy shown by FEU here to start the third set.
That's right.
Yan tuloy, nagbanggaan si Charo at saka si Ruby. And now, Giselle C. Ruby, bumawi. Hala, kanya-kanyang adlib. At yan, nakuha naman ni Suroses. Tawanan tuloy sila lahat. Kanya-kanya kayong adlib. Sige, sabi ni Coach Roger, tigilan nyo na.
Para silang mga trompo dun sa loob. Bungguan ng bungguan
Okay yun If it's one family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nabalik yung serve.
So far, ito si Banatikla, 11 points na. Si Sue with 6 points. Palma with 7. And si Malabanan with 3.
Nerio, dug up there by Soltones. Banatikla, dug up there by Tony Basas, who's playing for the first time. Basas gives it up. Here's De Leon running attack. Oh, ganda naman ang blanca doon ni Palma. Ito ngayon si Maru, changing direction.
Once again, Maru Banatikla. Varying it up.
Ang dami ng ginamit na tao rito ni Coach Shaq, no?
Oh.
Akala natin di maglalaro si Tony Basas, who's still nursing a left knee injury. But she's in, and Ruby's serve hits the net. So 3-2. Remy Palma will serve. Malabanan back in front. So Palma ngayon. And here is Ruby De Leon on the reception by Melissa Gohing.
Basas reading it well.
Gohing. De Leon. Sue. Slow motion na yung tira ni Sue doon. Eto ngayon si Nerio, nagmadali. De Leon. Eto na si Maru. Dug up. Giselle C saves it. Malabanan niya sila cross. Ruby, jump set na yun. Combination play for Maru Banatikla.
At umatake doon yung tatlong spikers ng Smart. Actually, even Sue Roses.
Oo.
Tinuloy niya yung approach niya for that running.
Nakakalito talaga yan pag ikaw yung nasa depensa. Again, well-executed play para sa Smart. 4 na practice session pa lang daw sila.
Yun ang dahil nga sa experience ng bawat isa. Yung sanay rin, like si Ruby De Leon, ilan na rin teams ang pinaglaruan yan. So yun yung mga nagbe-blend in well right away.
Right. Eto Ruby, ay quick dito. Kakapuri lang natin. Pala, kabila pala yung para kay Maru. Alam natin quick set para kay
signal lang, sandali lang.
Nadaan sa ilalim ng tulay.
Correct, sa tunnel. Saglit lang.
Sabi ko, Dalupe yun. Eto ngayon, si Roses turned back by Basas. Maru Banatikla, Malabanan. Here's Tony Basas into the net. And Tony Basas, again, pag-landing niya, favoring that left knee. And Rexona antiperspirant deodorant, it won't let you down. 5-3, Smart on top.
Alam natin may iniinda si Basas kasi hindi naman
ang taas kaya lumabas yan.
Ang taas tumalon.
At yan on the reception. Here's Simborio getting her first point of the game.
And getting it through the blockers of Smart.
Ang daming kamag-anak ni Simborio dito ngayon sa San Juan Arena. So, Marie Charlemagne Simborio. Kunin nga natin palayaw mamaya nito. Okay, there's Sue Roses on the runner. Giselle C across Tony Basas.
There you go. Basas getting it with that cross-court hit.
Ito si Tony Basas, yun yung marami sumusunod na fans dyan sa kanyang mga exploits for FEU. Simborio again. Ruby De Leon, masyadong malapit para kay Maru. Si Maru natawid. Ay, si Gretchen ba yun?
Oh, Soltones.
Si Gretchen natawid na. And now look at this, FEU with the lead. They were only able to get 5 points in the entire second set. Now they have 6 points. Wala pa tayo sa first technical timeout ng third set. Good sign for the Lady
Hindi pa
Tamaraws.
talaga yung pag-apak pa lang ng third set. Iba yung aggression.
Yes.
Diba? Nakita mo, very, very active inside the court.
Giselle C nonchalantly keeping that alive. Tony Basas. Back set once again. Soltones blocked there by C. And a drop ball coming from Sue Roses.
Bakit ba ganyan? Bakit ba na parang ang dali-dali tignan?
Si Sue Roses. At saka itong
Sabihin mo nga.
player ng Navy na si ni Mikmik Laborte. Pag naglaro, parang kasimple ng volleyball eh. No? Tingnan mo naman hinulog dyan ni Sue.
Effortless.
Effortless. Tied at 6. And may ace pa kasama.
Timeless. Effortless.
Ito talaga si Kuya. Oh.
Iba ka.
7-6. Of course, Sue Roses is a multiple MVP awardee dito sa ating liga. Tony Basas. Going. De Leon. Soltones going wide.
Punishing that Mikasa ball, but that goes wide.
Diretso nga kay Coach Shaq eh.
Ay. Lakas pumalo.
Sipin mo pag nandyan na si Eliza.
Oo.
Tatlo opener nila doon bigla. Malabanan.
Oh, nice short stop.
Nice short serve.
Yeah.
Oh, but look at Ruby De Leon.
What was that?
Akala mo isa-set. Nako, Ruby at saka Jem nagsama sa isang team. That's a nightmare for the opposition. We'll be right back.